Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to show you a sample response for TOEFL speaking, question number 3. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with everyone you know. Unity and contrast are key principles in interior design that balance consistency and variety to create effective designs. Unity involves creating a cohesive look by using similar elements. For example, you can match colors throughout a room, using light green for the walls, a darker green for the sofa fabric, and a matching green for the rug. This creates a unified space that feels orderly and comfortable. However, too much unity can make a room feel monotonous. To avoid this, contrast is introduced to add interest and excitement. Contrast is the intentional use of different elements to break up the unity. For instance, placing bright red cushions on a dark green sofa creates a striking visual contrast, making the green appear more vibrant and adding depth to the room. In summary, unity brings harmony and order, while contrast adds variety and intrigue. A well-designed room balances these two principles, avoiding both monotony and chaos to create an engaging and comfortable environment. Thank you so much for watching our video. Do you have a specific question for TOEFL speaking that you would like to see in one of our videos? Leave a comment below or send us a message on Telegram. Have a great day, and I will see you in our next video.